A quick update on AIOZ, down 10% on the week here, and it does appear the third time did not hold, holding the very steep trend here off of that V recovery. So you are down below the 236, so as long as you're below 37, that puts in play the 382 at 32. So as long as you're above 32, you're still bullish here. But we're still looking at these coins, after breaking the trend here. We'll see if we get a bounce off of that 382, another 11% drop, but we could have these things come all the way back down, 30% plus drops here. You can see the 786 would take it down 40%. But if we simply zoom out here on the chart, off of that recovery we had, these things are still, in my opinion, putting in macro bottoms. And what could be in store here on AIOZ is simply what we've been seeing on a lot of coins, to where it's putting in a double bottom with a higher low, be it the 618 or the 786, wherever it's going to be. But it is a bullish setup on the macro for these things to run right back up. So it's expected for these coins, after a move like that, to retrace back down to these levels. But as long as you're above the 618 at 25, I think it's going to be a nice play out on AIOZ here. So if you're bullish on AIOZ, comment down below. Are you buying the dips here once again? And as for that macro bottom, we look at AIOZ a lot on the live streams, and you can clearly see this is that 618 on the macro at 20. So as long as it's above 20, I think we're good to go here on AIOZ network. So like I said, comment down below your thoughts. Now the bigger question is, where is it going to end up? So from where we are today, keep in mind it can pull back some more. The two targets we have here is the first stop, the 1272 new high. That's where you get about an 11 to 12x up to 4. It'll probably tag $5 if it goes that high, and you get about a 14x. And then on the high side here, maybe $10 is a good target for AIOZ here in 2025, and that would be about a 27.5x up to about $10 here. And if it goes higher than that, then I would just say congratulations. The 1618 would take you up here for a 60x from today. So like I said, comment down below. What are your thoughts? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.